Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about iterators and the enumerable methods in Ruby on Rails. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Ruby has a powerful iteration constructs and the methods in the enumerable module which are commonly used with the collections like arrays and the hashes. So let's start it. For here you can see that we have an array with each do this is your block and puts number equal to this. So common enumerable methods we can use, that is map, select and the reduce. Okay, so let's understand each and every method. The each method is the most basic and the commonly used iterator in the Ruby. It loops through every element in the collection, yielding each element to a block of code. If I try to use this one, whenever you do the iteration on the arrays, use this. Okay, if I try to run this, here you can see 1 2 4 6 9 8 10. Okay, done. Moving to the next, the each method iterates over the array 1 2 3 4 5, and the for each element number the block multiplies it by 2 and prints the result. Map method. The map method, also known as the collect, transform each element into the collection according to your block's instructions and returns a new array containing the transformed elements. Okay, so let's use this, and if I try to go with this 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so here you can see we are using the map. Okay, and we are inspecting that one. Okay, so puts double inspect what exactly the output would be. Okay, so here we go with map iterates over the range 1 to 5. Okay, so here you can see that we have 1 to 5 multiplying by each number by 2. Okay, a new array 2 4 6 8 10 is returned containing the results of the block. Okay, and the original collection remains unchanged. This is the use of that one. Then we have a select method. Select method, also known as the find all, filter elements based on the conditions specified in the block. It returns a new array containing only the elements which the block returns true. Select iterates over the range 1 to 5 and evaluates whether the each element is even using this one. Okay, only the even numbers 2 and 4 satisfy the condition, so the new array would be 2 4 is returned. Okay, next we have a reduce method. The reduce method, also known as the inject, accumulates a value across the elements of a collection. It combines all the elements based on the operation specified in the block. So here you can see that sum 1 to 5 range, reduce, put sum. Okay, reduce sums the numbers in the range 1 to 5, and the symbol, okay, is used to specify the operation with plus. This is the shorthand for the sum. So this is the basically to write sum we have to write like this, but this is shorthand, this with plus. Okay, the method accumulates the total 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, returning the result to be 15. Okay, or you can also do this one accumulator with this, and output would be this one. This is the multiplication. Okay, next, the reduce one method starts with the initial value of 1 and multiplies each element of the range by the accumulator value, this one. The final product is 1 into 2 into 3 4 and 5, and you will get the result. Okay, so if you want to learn more of that reduce, this is also in the JavaScript also. So you can more deep learn this because it's very important reduce part. Okay, next we go with the find method. Find method, also known as detect, returns the first element in a collection for which the block returns true. First even, so here we have the range. Find searches and through the range 1 to 10 and the first even number, it stops and returns to when it finds that number. So whenever you find any number or anything. Okay, so let's add this. So here you can see that we have a range 1 to 10 and find the even. So whenever it get the even number, it stops and return. Let's check. Okay, same result. Next, reject method. The reject method is the opposite of the select. it returns a new array excluding the elements that meet the condition specified in the block. Okay, so here we go with this one and just run it. So 135 is returned. So reject iterates over the range 1 to 5 and excludes the elements that are even. The result is 135 containing only the odd numbers. Okay, so reject is like rejecting. Okay, all, any, none methods. These methods check conditions across the elements of a collection. All returns true if the block returns the true for all the elements. Any returns true if the block returns true for the any element. None returns true if the block returns false for all the elements. So here you can see that we have this one. Here you go with 246 all, n is even, output should be true, true, and here 135 none. So again the output would be true one. Okay, all checks if all the numbers are even, that should be true. Any checks if any number is even, that's true. None checks if no number is even, that is also true. Okay, each with index method. Each with index method is an enhanced version of each that provides both element and its index with the collection. If you want the index, then go with this one. Okay, and with index passes each element along with the index to the block, allowing you to access the both the index and the value. Okay, so here we go with this one. So index and the value we will get with each with index. Okay, so the next one, Enumerable module in Ruby provides a vast collection of methods that make it easy to work with the collections. These methods are highly versatile and expressive, allowing you for elegant and concise code. Here's a quick recap. Each basic iteration: map, transform your element, select, filter, reduce, accumulate a result, finds the first matching element, reject, exclude the element, all, any, none, boolean checks on collections, each with index, iteration with index. Okay, so this is how you can do that one, enumerable. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.